One headline calls it a significant restructure. Another calls it proof that artificial intelligence is coming for your job. Same company, same 4,800 layoffs. Two very different stories. This is Media Lens. Here are the facts everyone agrees on. On Monday, Microsoft cut around 4,800 roles, about 2.1% of its global workforce. The gaming division took the hardest hit, with more than 1,000 jobs lost inside Xbox alone. It's the company's second major round of cuts in about a year. That much is not in dispute. The dispute is about why. The BBC framed it as structure. Microsoft cuts 4,800 jobs and shrinks Xbox in a, quote, significant restructure. The Wall Street Journal zoomed in on the division. Microsoft begins more than 3,000 layoffs in the Xbox unit. Read those, and this is a business story. A company trimming a division and managing costs at the start of a new fiscal year. But the technology press told a bigger, scarier story. TechCrunch reported the same cuts as, quote, the latest in a series of layoffs that's stoking fears of AI replacing jobs. Suddenly, it's not about Xbox at all. It's about whether the machines Microsoft is building are quietly making its own people redundant. Same layoff. One outlet sees a spreadsheet, another sees the future of work. So how do you read this without getting played by either frame? Look for what's asserted versus what's implied. The restructure framing sticks to what the company said: divisions, percentages, cost. The AI framing adds a cause the company did not actually name. Neither is lying, but one is reporting the announcement, and the other is reporting a fear, and fear travels further online than a percentage ever will. The honest read sits in the middle. Microsoft cut jobs, concentrated the pain in gaming, and did it while pouring billions into AI. Whether those facts are cause and effect, or just one company doing two things at once, is exactly the gap where framing lives. When a headline hands you a villain, check whether the company named it, or whether the writer did. That's today's Media Lens. Subscribe and hit the bell.